Today we are going to unbox the Slazenger Jacket. This is a full sleeve jacket made up of polyester. Slazenger is actually a British sports company, but in India Flipkart is the only sole seller of the Slazenger merchandise. This jacket is medium sized and has 2 pockets on each side. Slazenger products are really budget friendly and at the same time offer decent quality. Okay, so I will do a quick tour now of this, and at the end of the video I will wear it to see how it looks like.